Hey, this is Tyler of Haste Computer Repair, and today I want to celebrate reaching 3,000 subscribers. I'll be giving away this Lenovo ThinkPad T580 laptop, and the display panel you can kind of see where it's a little bit darker up here and a little bit lighter up here. Generally looks perfectly fine, but this is one reason why I'm going to give it away. Just because as a refurbished product, I'd be more keen to replace the entire display, and I think it'll be a little bit more fun just to give it away to somebody who might need it. It's a fully functional laptop with a quad-core i5 CPU. It says 16 gigabytes, but I'm going to reduce it to 8, and a 240 gigabyte NVMe Patriot P310 solid state drive. You can see there's a little bit of wear on the touchpad and the palm rest, but I mean, for free, I hope that you don't complain. So all you have to do is send me an email to hasterepair@gmail.com, and the first person who lives in North America, sorry, this is limited to just North America, can send me a message, and all you have to do is pay for the shipping, and I'll cover the cost of the laptop and I'll ship it out to you. All I ask is that you honestly need the laptop, they can use it, or you can gift it to somebody else who might need a laptop and maybe can't afford it. This shouldn't be a free laptop that you can later go on and sell, or something that you just don't really need. So please be honest, that's all I can ask. There's no other way for me to vet that information. So thanks a lot for watching any of my videos, and I really hope they're helping somebody out in the tech community. This work is really helping me expand my knowledge bank in tech, and I have the community to thank for that. So this is my way of giving back. Good luck, and hopefully the laptop can help you out. See you in the next video.